I'm putting together a new bicycle and I came across this center hub lock for a brake disc. First time I've had like brake discs like this on a bicycle. And of course you need a special tool, but the mechanic side of me is like, no, I don't. So you take some needle nose pliers and tighten that bad boy up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my pliers in, fit them up real nice. Now I'm gonna put some outward pressure and do what I can to lock them in. There we are. Nice and solid. You don't have to buy a special tool, just get yourself a set of needle nose. Solid. Needle nose pliers.